Control, this is Explorer. I've located the Thomas locomotive. It's buried deep in the snow. Sending coordinates now. We need to start the extraction. Look at the rust on the boiler. The frame is bent, but the core is intact. This will be a challenge. Look at the boiler. The rust is deep. The frame is bent. It's a miracle it's in one piece. Winch is ready. Activate. Cables are taut. It's holding. It's moving. Keep the tension. Chains are tight. Double check the cables. All secure. We're ready. Let's move out. Steady now. Keep her straight. Almost there to the gate. Chains taut. Ready for the ramp. Lifting it now. Watch the angle. Good. Hydraulics are set. Clear to proceed. Chain secure. Ready on this side. Ramps in place. Hydraulic support's next. Support's locked. We're clear to lower. Heavy rust on the side panels here. Photographing this bent panel. Frozen rods are out of alignment. Noting that. Boiler's completely packed with ice. Pipes are frozen solid. Documenting now. Floor's a mess. Let's get photos. Looks clean. No flakes left. Confirmed. Exterior's clear. Good. Ready for paint. Floor panels are looking sharp now. Good. Let's check the levers. Almost there. Side panels and joints are secure. Wheels and pipes are tight. Excellent. Confirming structural integrity.
A true hero revealed.